Hey guys. So we're at the SpringHill Suites.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
There's two of them.
Yes. So we're not at Main Gate. We're at the Convention Center and Resort, I think is what it's called.
It's the one above the CVS pharmacy.
On the corner of Catella and
Harbor.
There we go. So we're going to give you a quick room tour. So we are in room 441, which is a corner room. Wait, there's 443. Here's 441. We've got our room key. It opens like that. And here we go. So when you first walk in, there's this really cool sitting area, which is apparently a sofa bed, correct?
Yep.
Yep.
Every suite has one. I like the art.
Yeah, the art's pretty good.
It's like
yeah.
Bumper cars somewhere.
Yeah. And then there's also a TV and a desk.
Yeah. This is an all suite hotel.
Right
allegedly.
across there. Yeah. I think it is. Please excuse our bag. So we've got a microwave right there and a coffee maker right down there. And we've also got a fridge. Which
came with a free can of Tecate. And the Coke Zeros are ours.
Sure did. So we already stocked it up. And then there's some more art. Another place to put your luggage. And our TV with drawers. They're just normal drawers that have stuff in them that we've already put in there. And then we have, this is our little closet right here. I've already thrown a couple of things in there, right? So let me stand back so you can kind of see. It's a whole closet there, so awesome. Let me close that. And here's our really cool view. We're right on the corner of Catella and Harbor. And if you look right there, there's Guardians. So we got a pretty good view.
You can even see the top of the Matterhorn barely.
Can you? Where?
Yeah.
I don't know where I'm at. So.
Right up there.
Okay, should we zoom in?
Yeah. Nice.
Oh yeah, look, you can see it. Very cool. So there's the top of the Matterhorn. So it's a pretty awesome view. And then here's our king size bed. I think it's a king.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's really nice. Then we'll walk back through here. Go check out the bathroom. I'm loving this bathroom. That's a really cool mirror.
Right.
And sinks and, you know, towels, all the normal stuff. Let's see, and here's our shower. Oh, sorry, I just hit the
Nice
trash
walk-in
can.
shower. Nice
walk-in shower. It's really clean. Smells good in here. Let's see. Oh, they have there's their toiletries. It's all Paul Mitchell. So cool. It's a pretty neat hotel. So here's the garage. When you first pull in, you see this really cool park marquee lighting, and then here's the garage. So here's the fitness center of the SpringHill Suites that we're staying at. It's on the 5th floor, right by the pool. So looks pretty cool.
It's really robust.
Yeah, it is. Looks like there's a lot of free weights. There's a couple pre-cores. There's a couple of treadmills over there. I called it a pre-core, but yeah. And then a bike right there.
Scale, yoga pads.
Oh yeah, let's do that really quick. So there's also a scale and yoga mats with towels. It's a pretty good fitness center.